In this video, we will see how to create a multi-currency deal and quote inside the system. To begin, navigate to CRM and click on Deals and Quotes, then click Add Deal. Search and select the lead, enter the deal name, then choose the deal stage, proposal validity period, deal status, and expected close date. By default, the system displays your workspace-based currency configured by the administrator. However, if you want to create the deal or quote in another currency, simply select the required currency from the drop-down. Once you select a different currency, the system will ask for the exchange rate. For example, if you are quoting in euro, you can enter the latest exchange rate based on your requirement. Once saved, the system uses this rate throughout the deal calculations. Now move to the line items section below. Here, you can select existing products created by your administrator or add a new product manually. When you select a product, the system automatically displays the default unit price configured for that product. Usually, this pricing is based on your workspace-based currency. So if your deal is being created in another currency, simply click the small gold converter button next to the unit price field. The system will instantly convert the price using the exchange rate entered earlier. Once converted, the subtotal, VAT amount, grand total, and currency values refresh automatically. You can continue updating quantities, discounts, VAT percentages, payment terms, and other commercial terms as required. Once completed, click Save Deal. Later, if you want to modify the currency, exchange rate, or pricing, simply open the deal and click Edit. The system allows you to update and reconvert the pricing anytime before creating the quote. Finally, click Create Quote, select the quote validity date, and finalize the quote. That's how you can manage multi-currency deals and quotations inside the system.